Introducing the 2026 Cupra Terramar V2 Ehybrid with 204 horsepower and a stunning blue exterior. This estate/Jeep vehicle is packed with features like cruise control, satellite navigation, ambient lighting and more for ultimate comfort and convenience. With safety features like ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, you'll feel secure on the road. Plus, the privacy glass and roof rails add to the stylish design. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this incredible vehicle.